everybody, welcome back to TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One, here to inspire and empower your wig journey. Today we're going to get into a brand new style by Belle Tress. This one is Citrus Mint in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Tons of information you're going to want to know about this one coming up. So this brand new style is a mid to long length, kind of a softer, beachy wave type style. It features their newer cap design as well. So let's get into it. I purchased this style with my own funds. You can find it at Wig Studio One. All you have to do is drop below the video, expand the description box, locate the product link. I will label that. Find Belle Tress Citrus Mint at Wig Studio One. Click on that link. It'll take you out to the site. You can check out all of the colors, the pricing, all of the detail there. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you need anything from us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our other very popular social media. We have the biggest variety on YouTube with the Wig Studio One YouTube channel, a fully loaded Instagram page, and a private Facebook group page labeled Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are also below. Belle Tress and their parade of brand new styles. We love them, don't we? All their new styles and colors were like, keep it coming, right? But there comes a point where you really want to know the differences between a new style and maybe one that has been out for a while that you know, love, and enjoy. So I'm going to try to point out as we move along maybe some other styles in that Belle Tress line that this reminds me of, so that you can check them all out and make a better choice for yourself. Let's really briefly touch on this Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. This is a beloved color. It is a brunette, but it's very heavily and dramatically highlighted, so it could satisfy both brunettes and blondes. This Brown Sugar Sweet Cream is a blend of many colors. A dark brown, a medium brown, a light golden brown, and then it's highlighted with a light gold blonde and a light ash blonde. We've got a lot going on here, and I have seen variable applications of this color. I've had some that seem like there's more gold in them and they kind of move to the warm side. I've seen some that are more absent of that warmth, and so therefore neutral to cool in tone. Overall, I think the browns themselves, especially that medium and dark brown, seem to be very cool in tone. So I think this would appeal to a lot of us out there, but is more neutral in my opinion. This is a medium brown rooted color as well, and it's easy to forget that there's a root here because it just blends and transitions beautifully into the other colors. Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. So let's get into Citrus Mint. That front piece is around 11 inches. There's a 14-inch layer in there, and then overall, I'm guessing right around 16 inches in its full length. This is a sweet spot for a lot of us because it's not too long. Belle Tress offers a lot in our different length ranges. So I think that sweet spot being that 12-inch from the Caliente, that's kind of like where my sweet spot is. And then the 14, they've got a Peerless 14. I'm not quite a fan of the 14-inch just because of my measurements. This is all personal preference. They have quite a few at 16 inches. And my favorite Belle Tress style, Dalgona 16, falls in that range. And then you have a lot that's 18 to 22 inches, even longer. So they do have a variety of lengths to choose from. And when they come out with a popular style, often you'll see it come out later in multiple different lengths. This one reminds me of the Single Origin. I reviewed that one last year. Single Origin is going to be just a little bit shorter than this, but it's basically, to me, and from my memory, I no longer have that style, but it feels the same. So that front piece is long, and it tends to kind of swoop in into the face. Okay, most wigs of this length do that. You can easily trim in a shorter fringe or a straight across bang on this one. That would be perfect. Minimal layering everywhere else. This one has one of the newer cap designs by Belle Tress. It's an extended lace front, and it's beautiful. So they extend it back into the ear tab, and then there's a center monofilament part that runs back through the crown. Very well done cap. Let's get up close though. So especially on this color. So you can see all of the seams are obscured, giving you the most natural looking hairline possible. The knots are fine. They do run the highlight right up to that lace front, but it isn't thickly banded, which I really like that blending process that they're using on this color. And then the center monofilament part. Now, I think you can definitely see down through to the illusion of scalp here. I don't think it's too densely threaded for you to take full advantage of that middle monofilament part. So well done, Belle Tress. I really like this lace front monofilament combination. So this is right out of the box. I didn't use any product on it. I just basically parted it right along that monofilament and then used my hands to, you guessed it, I swoop it back away from the face. Now what that's going to do is going to enhance that natural contour right off the lace front. There's really not a big contour. There's certainly not a thick, stubborn calic here. This could easily be pushed down over the forehead for a more of a flat look. And the beauty of a center part is that you've got 1 inch to 1.5 inch parting space there in which to work with. You could part it left of center, right of center, or dead on center. And you can move that front piece around to any parting option as long as the rest remains right there. So this is a beautiful wig in which to have some of that versatility. So let's talk about the curl. The curl is just a little bit different than what we're used to with that shattered, really heavily textured and tapered wave. This is also a beach wave, meaning that it's a deconstructed, heavily deconstructed spiral. It has been textured a little bit, meaning taken down on the ends, tapered. But it remains a little more intact than, let's say, the Dalgona. And some of their other heavily beach wave style, shattered beach wave style. So it's softer, it's a little more feminine. You're gonna get a little more body out of this than some of those that have been taken down more dramatically. Now the density is still just an average density. I would say it's not as light of a density as the Dalgona. Let's just use that as an example. It's pretty much on par with the single origin if you have and love that style. So it's just a perfectly situated new style by Belle Tress in their cafe collection. There's very little permatease. It is heat friendly like the rest of them. This is made from that luxurious buttery feeling, heat friendly fiber. Just love, love, love. This is my favorite heat friendly fiber on the market. Love it. So the ideal lever of this style is going to have to like that medium to long length. It's going to have to like that softer beach wave with more minimal layering, heat-friendly fiber, and that lace front that extends in the center monofilament part. There's a lot you can do. We'll cover that in styling, but let me take you outside for a look at this. And then we'll look at the cap as well. I really want you to see these mono features, and then we'll do some styling. Inside of the cap for Belle Tress's Citrus Mint, there's that beautiful lace front, nicely contoured, stretches right back through the middle of the ear tab. A very nice deep lace front. Moves back seamlessly into a center monofilament part. There's about a 4-inch parting space. I love how big and wide the mouth of this part is. That gives so much flexibility. A velvet ear tab, stretchy wefting, a standard nape with the strap type adjusters, lots of stretch. This is the typical Belle Tress fit Their average tends to fit average large better than it does petite average. I typically have to make a very large adjustment to fit my 21¼ inch circumference. I did want to add a quick word about glasses. Glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on, gosh, I think all of the Belle Tress styles that I have explored. There's very little permatease or density in that area.